when to file. So, actually, there is an IRR na nilabas si National Amnesty Commission with regards to these two proclamations, the 405 and 406. So, kailan ba pwedeng mag-apply ng amnesty? So, pwedeng mag-apply ng amnesty starting March 2024 at mag-i-end ito ng March 4, 2026. Ibig sabihin, 2 years lang yung binigay sa members of the MILF and MNLF to apply for amnesty program within 2 years from the promulgation of the IRR of the Proclamation 405 and 406 by National Amnesty Commission. So, kailan ba yan na promulgate? If I'm not mistaken, March 14, 2024 up to March 4 lang 2026 na pwede kayong mag-apply. So, ibig sabihin, pwede pa. So, ano ba yung where to file? Yun naman since alam na natin sino yung pwedeng mag-file, sino yung disqualified, ano-ano yung mga crimes na pwedeng applyan ng amnesty, yung mga political crimes na yan, and other common crimes as long as it is committed in pursuit of political beliefs, and ano-ano yung mga crimes, offenses na hindi pwedeng applyan ng amnesty. So, ngayon, alam na natin yon. Ang pangalawang tanong naman dyan is where to file? Saan ba tayo magpa-file? So, based on the yung sa proclamation as well as doon sa IRR na yon, kailangan natin mag-file sa National Amnesty Commission. Doon yung filing ng application for amnesty. Pero merong tayong tinatawag na Local Amnesty Board. So, ibig sabihin, ipa-file muna natin yung applications natin for amnesty sa Local Amnesty Board for initial eligibility assessment. So, magkakaroon ng initial eligibility assessment at the level of Local Amnesty Board. Then, after that, ifo-forward nila sa National Amnesty Commission. So, sila yung may final say as to the assessing yung eligibility ng applicant for amnesty and recommendation sa President. Kasi, as what we have discussed, that only the President can grant amnesty. So, talking about Local Amnesty Board, sir, saan ba yung makikita yung mga Local Amnesty Board na yan? Kasi gusto kong mag-avail ng amnesty program ng government kasi magandang program ito kasi advantage ito. Para at least mabigyan kami ng chance na makihalubilo sa community na walang iniindang takot sa mga filing of cases and yung mga nagsaserve na ng sentence or nakakulong who committed crimes in pursuit of political belief if they are members of the MLF and MNLF. So, once na mabigyan sila ng amnesty, makakalabas sila, makakalaya sila. So, saan ba itong establishment? Saan ba yung ang office ng Local Amnesty Board? Meron sa Cotabato City. Second, meron sa Cagayan de Oro, meron sa Pagadian, Davao, and Isabela, Sulu Province. So, merong mga Local Amnesty Board dyan. So, another is, since alam na natin yung saan mag-file ng application for amnesty, so I think nabigay na natin yung bird's eye view ng paano ba mag-file ng amnesty, sino yung mga covered, ano ba yung covered crimes, sino ba yung qualified, sino ba yung disqualified. So, last thing to note is to reiterate, an application for amnesty must be in writing and under oath. Ibig sabihin, as what I have said, pag mag-apply ka ng amnesty, meron kang kailangan mo mag-execute ng sworn statement. Sworn statement under oath admitting your participation or your criminal liability. So, pangalawa, yung mga firearms, weapons na isusurrender natin, hindi pwedeng gamitin na ebidensya or hindi pwedeng gamitin na basihan para filean tayo ng illegal possession of firearms. So, the filing of application does not automatically result in the grant of the amnesty. So, all the applications are subject to the approval of the President. So, last is paano po ba yung gustong mag-apply ng amnesty na may charge for a crime na in pursuit of political belief pero hindi siya under detention. So, yung hindi under detention is pwede naman ng mag-avail ng safe conduct pass to be issued by the National Amnesty Commissions, and I think the local amnesty board pwede rin sila mag-issue ng safe conduct pass, but it is only provisionary in character. So I think that's all for the discussions for amnesty. I hope na kahit papano, inshallah, may konti tayong nalaman about the nature of amnesty. Sa muli po, andito po ang Bangsamoro Human Rights Commission na handang tumulong, mag-assist kung meron mang gustong mag-apply for amnesty. So, andito po ang Bangsamoro Human Rights Commission para po malili sa inyo. So, that's all. So, kawagib for all.